of Team Zebra Races, car number 68. We are participating in the BAJA SAEINDIA 2023 edition. The Team Zebra Races is formed in the year of 2015 by young and passionate women of 13 members from Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. Every year we start the vehicle with the past year experiences and challenges we have faced enough. We are extremely excited to participate in the dynamic events and we want to go to the podium and win the awards.